Oh, hey there. How's it going? What is the best product launch of 2019? I'm going to tell you today what we have in store for 2019 and possibly the best beard related invention this year. Stay tuned. All right, welcome back. I'm Tyson, faithfully bearded, and today I'm going to tell you about something from Ruddy Man Beard Company that could be the best thing invented in 2019. And that's called summer butter. So here you see it right over here. Let me just grab one. Summer butter. Check out that label all the way around. Now you might ask, what is summer butter? Well, let me tell you about summer butter. But first, we're going to get into talking about Ruddy Man, a beard company out of North Carolina. The owner, Jimmy Atkins, if you watched the unboxing on Monday, you heard a little bit about Jimmy and you heard a little bit about Ruddy Man. You know that this is my second review for Ruddy Man. But not only that, he has evolved so much since then. So he's got his tingle cave, he's got some new scents, he's got butter, he's got summer butter, he's got a wash, a co-wash, oils, pet stuff. He's got so many things, brushes, new shirts, hats. He's got a new hat. He has so many crazy things going on. He is always there for the community. You can message him on Instagram and he's right there. You can hit him up on the interwebs. He's got his website, Instagram. He does live streams almost every day. If you haven't been in his live streams, you got to join in there. He'll sing. He'll tell jokes. He'll show you how products are made. He takes advice. But one of the coolest things that Jimmy does, he has what we call the Ruddy Reveal. And what it is it's a monthly subscription. You pay $12 a month. You get a half-ounce dram of beard oil. The thing is, it's a secret of what it is. So the first Monday of the month, he sends it out if you're subscribed. And then like the following Thursday, there's a live stream on Instagram to talk about it. And he always does something special. He's got a game with it. He's got clues. And the labels cover it up of what the scent actually is. And the point is, you're supposed to wear it, smell it, feel it, and guess what the scent is. But don't scratch off the scratcher to see what's actually in there. So we'll all get in a live stream that Thursday night. We'll all scratch it off and see how close we were after we guessed. Plus, there's a website for the game that he sends you with the card. So you have all that. That's called the Ruddy Reveal. You can sign up right on the website. Not only that, you get these cool cards. He writes you a little note and draws you a picture. You see that? That should be something that we get tattooed on us. Like, who doesn't want a little crooked, wiggly-faced guy with a winky eye, or he got stabbed in the eye. I don't know what happened to his eye. And a beard that Jimmy himself drew. So Jimmy's awesome. I got this sticker in mine. It's a big logo. I think it just looks good right up here. Do that with it. I got a round sticker, so this can go somewhere in my sticker collection, which I always love those. His shipping is quick. It comes from North Carolina. He's got some good packaging. He throws those goodies in there. You can get a hat, shirt. So let's just jump into what I think about the products. You know I like Ruddy Man. From my first review, I said that. In my unboxing, I said he's an up-and-coming company of 2019. So let's dig in to talking a little bit about some of the newer scents and maybe some of the more popular ones. All right, so first and foremost, I'm going to go with one of the most popular scents, which is the Balm House Blend. So there you have the label there. Check out that label. You got apple, cinnamon, and vanilla. This is the one that kind of started the tingle nation. Somebody put it on their skin. The cinnamon gave them a little bit of a tingle, and that's where the Tingle Nation was born. The Tingle Cave, King Tingle, all the tingling came from Balm House Blend. And this scent's actually pretty cool because it's like after his record studio. And your ingredients on your oils are coconut oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, and essential oils. It's a pretty good carrier blend, in my opinion. I think it feels good in the beard. It's good for night. It's moisturizing. Takes away any itch that you have. So I like the carrier oil blends that he uses. One of the newer scents that he launched is called Ringside. And I showed this to you guys on the unboxing, but it's leather, tobacco, amber, cedar, and vetiver. This smells like a pair of boxing gloves, brand new boxing gloves that you'd buy. And I get a little bit of undertones of like cedar and vetiver, but to me it's just boxing gloves straight up, and it's delicious. I love it. This scent lasts for me about 8 hours. Balm House, you're looking at 6 to 8 hours. That tingling, the cinnamon sticks around for a while. He also has one called Shipwreck, which is sandalwood, coconut, and lime. This one is good as well. You don't get a ton of the, I guess you don't get one scent over the other. They just mix really well together. Like I can get a little bit of lime, I can get sandalwood, and then you can get coconut. I'm not a big sandalwood fan, but I tend to like this. And here you can see his oils, a little bit of a yellow tint to it, but nothing major. You got the amber bottles here. These new labels are really nice. They're thicker to cover up more of the bottle, as you can see. His newest creation, scent-wise, would be Southern Gent. And this smells just like you take some peaches, you throw them up on the grill, and grill them up. It's peaches, fir, and amyris. And I just get this nice peach scent. Now the scent profile on this is amazing. As far as time and beard, I thought that was about 4 to 6 hours. Again, it feels good, it goes in good, it doesn't leave my hands all greasy or anything like that. But the time and beard was a little bit less on that one. And then you have his balms. You got this twist top tin, you got the same design label going all the way across. No balmy smell or anything like that. You got the yellow look. You got my streak down here. These are pretty soft. Let me show you. They're pretty soft. You can get them out with your finger. See that? The nail is preferable. I'd say they're more medium rather than a soft texture-wise. But they go in your hand real nice and smooth. Lather up just like that. And then they go in the beard really nice as well. So I'm just putting a little bit in here of the Southern Gent. So I'm going to smell like peaches, which there's nothing wrong with that. I actually kind of like mixing the Balm House with the Southern Gent because you get the Balm House with the apple and cinnamon, and then you get the peach in there as well. So it's actually a really good combination. If you like to try like new things, mix things up, try that out because it's actually pretty awesome. So his balms give you a really decent hold. They kind of give me a little bit of a, like I can feel that they're in there, but they're moisturizing at the same time. So they give you a hold and they're moisturizing, which is something that I really like. So these are one of my favorite balms. And I'm just going to throw this right back here on the rack. I got this rack by JB Beard Co. So, if you're in the market for a rack, hit up JB Beard Co. for the rack. So then you have butters, right? So here's his butters, Balm House blend on this one right here. And they come in these little plastic twist tops. I like these the best. You can see his butter is a pretty creamy butter in there. Actually, it's really creamy. It's really fluffy and creamy. And that kind of initiates a problem. A problem in 2019 that a lot of beard companies have. And I believe Jimmy found the solution to the problem. So it's hot in here. and it's hot outside and we're shipping stuff around to customers, and what happens? This stuff liquefies. And then you get it and you got to open your freezer, tuck it in the freezer, let it harden back up, stir it up again, whip it up, all that stuff that you have to do to get it back. Or you could come out with a liquid version and call it summer butter. So that's what Jimmy did. He's like, I'm going to come out with a liquid version. No, this is not beard oil. This is butter. So let's just look in here to explain this. So the ingredients of the butter: shea butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, and vitamin E oil. And then he whips it up. So you kind of get the solidified versions of these ingredients and you whip them up. Ingredients in here: shea olein, coconut oil, golden jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, essential and fragrance oils. So shea butter, shea olein. So instead of butter in the whipped, you have shea olein, which is an oil in the summer butter. Coconut oil. Well, look at that. Coconut oil. Jojoba oil. Oh, look at that. Golden jojoba oil. Grapeseed oil. Vitamin E oil. So you have the same ingredients, the same thing. You just have the liquefied versions in the summer butter. So as you can see, it stays a liquid. I mean, how cool is that? You shake it up a little bit, and this right here is shipwreck. And to me, it smells just like the shipwreck oil. And it should carry the scent the same as the oil. The one I've been using at night is the Dapper Fox, because I think I use it at night and it's a good night scent for me. So I like that one. But he has the summer butter launching tonight on the live stream at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We're going to have King Tingle there. And he's going to launch the summer butter on the website in all the scents. He's also got last month's Ruddy Reveal. People liked it, prized pie. And he's going to release a limited set of those for sale tonight on the live stream again as well. So we got a whole bunch of good stuff going on tonight. So we have oils, we have balms, we have butter, we have summer butter. So now these makers hopefully will learn something and they don't have to spend time whipping, and you don't have to worry about shipping and putting warning labels in there. And we don't have to waste energy opening our freezer or time and putting it in there and letting it harden for a little bit. I mean, any of your wives ever get mad because there's beard products in the fridge or the freezer? I don't know if that's a thing or not, but there's a solution to that thing. So we got solutions for the consumers, we got solutions for the beard companies, and I'm digging it, that's for sure. Not only that, he also has launched what he calls Ruddy Suds. So this is his wash, and I have it in the Southern Gent scent. And like I've said it before, you can smell in here the Southern Gent scent, but you can also smell some of the cleaning agents that he has in here, which I don't find that to be bad or distracting. Like, you put it on, you get the Southern Gent smell. It's kind of light to me. This is a stripping wash, right? So this is your once a week wash when you want to reset. This is going to take out all the oils out of your beard hair, and you're going to use that like once a week. Then you have the Ruddy Rinse here. And you can see I've been using this. It's been in the shower. It's got a water streak down the label from being in the shower. This is probably the thickest co-wash that I've ever used in my life. So this, you don't smell any cleaning properties. You're just getting the conditioner in here. And this stuff is thick. Like, let me show you guys how thick this is. Now I'm down for a thick wash. This is gonna go on the blooper reel. Look at how thick this is. Like, you can almost like make a line with it. It's so thick. But to me, the thick co-washes are amazing. So here you can see it just like that. It's nice and thick. It's almost like a lotion, but man, it smells amazing. And I'm going to see, does it rub in like a lotion? It probably does. I mean, I put way too much on. It is a very, very good wash. Stripping, again, like I said, it's almost like a liquid pine tar in feeling wise. And then the co-wash is amazing as well. It's super thick. It gets up in there. I like the thicker co-washes. The smell's good. It doesn't necessarily hang around for a couple minutes after the shower that it hung around, but nothing terribly long. Nothing that you can't pair up a different scent with if you don't want to. You got the nice big containers, which I really love. So you have those. Those are available, and I believe all the scents there as well. Really good pricing on this stuff. Let me just show you what this, we'll just dabble a little bit out. Now, like I said, this is like an oil, right? So this is a liquefied version of butter. So you're coming out, it's just like an oil here. Smells just the same as the normal scent, the Balm House. We're going to get the tingle in here. So I got Southern Gent Peach in here. Now I have some Balm House in here. And it is humid here, so you got some flyaways going, but I don't care. We're just going to roll with it. And let me tell you guys, like, I've been using this stuff for over a week. And you guys get a new cap. This was something that was original and started out as like a tester. But now he's using like a twist top sriracha type cap. So you have that, you just twist it a little bit. It's the pointy cap, you can go like this, squirt some out, put it down like this, twist it shut, however you want. To me, it looks unique, it looks awesome, it's gonna be effective. And this stuff, like I said, I've been using it for over a week now, and to me, I use it at night, and I use it in my blow dryer routine, and it's exactly the same as this butter. Nothing different. It feels the same, it moisturizes the same, it does everything the same for me as his regular butter. So this is the solution to the summer melting problem. This is probably the best beard product invention or new beard product of 2019 thus far. It's creative, it's something new, and it's the solution to a problem. King Tingle is always trying to come up with new things. We got a Ruddy reveal, we got live streams, and tonight we are celebrating the 3,000 subscriber mark for Faithfully Bearded. So thank you all for that, because you're all part of it. And we're going to have a giveaway from Ruddy Man Beard Company. We got a giveaway, 3 giveaways from Barden tonight. So we're going to have some fun tonight at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time right here on my YouTube channel. And I hope you all can join. So if you like this video, subscribe for more if you're new here. If you're not new here, thank you very much. I appreciate it. I'm going to link Ruddy Man's website and Instagram right down below. I'm going to have my Instagram on there too. And my question to leave you guys all with is, I want to grow this community. And I want to get to know everybody here. And what better way to start friendship and conversations, not only between me and you guys, but between you guys and you guys, is to comment below of which city and state you're from. And when you see somebody else that's in the state as you, go comment on their comment and say, welcome from the same state. Maybe that enters you into win something. I don't know. But let's get conversation and get to know everybody that's watching these videos. And I'll start by saying I'm from Rapid City, South Dakota. You know where that Mount Rushmore is? I'm right there. So you guys, thank you for watching this. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. If you like the beard content, if you like devotionals, this is your channel. So hit that subscribe, that thumbs up, and that bell so all your devices go off when I go live or post a new video like this. And grab your coffee, grab your bang, which I just drank and threw away, stroke your man-mane, and until I talk to you guys on the live stream tonight, go check out Ruddy Man. Check out the solution to the problem, summer butter. And God bless you all.